couldn't do the note bending yet again, so there's no question that my single notes are rubbish. And I was just wondering if you could just go over again how
Yes.
you do single notes.
If you want to learn note bending and your single notes aren't very good, use masking tape.
Hmm.
Any of you, if you want to learn single note, if you want to learn note bending before you've really mastered single notes, just stick the harmonica up with masking tape. Just expose the hole you want to bend. So when you're trying to get single notes, you've got a certain number of holes here. Sean, are you able to spotlight this for me? And he can, and Neil can see it really big. So if the aperture of my mouth is like that, I'm definitely going to not play any other holes, right?
Hmm.
So that's actually quite wide. That's not a small thing. That's about half an inch.
Yeah.
And then the same as with any other hole. You don't have to have it tiny weeny like that. You know, you can have your as long as you're covering up the two outside holes. This is it's about half an inch. So you've got to get your mouth, the aperture of your mouth, to the right shape. So what you do is you get a mirror, you stand in front of the mirror, and you practice your muscles. And you learn how to control that little black dot. Does that make sense, Neil?
Yeah, yeah, I understand what you're saying. Uh, could I'll tell you what more specifically my problem is I can get a note bend on hole number one. I can do that quite easily.
But
And
you
then I
tell me
go,
this. You told me that getting single notes was an issue.
yes, I know.
So
But
that's the
that's,
first thing to sort out before you go anywhere near bending.
yeah, well, I can get a single note on hole one.
So you can do note bending on hole one then.
Yeah, but if I go to hole four, I can't get a single note at
No,
hole
so
four.
so you need to get a single note first.
Right, yeah. Hmm.
That's the first thing to do.
Yeah.
You're
And
not. You're just not. There's no way you're going to bend notes. I mean, you can do, but it's very, very hard. So let's just say you need to get a single note before you can bend notes.
yeah. Hmm. Okay. The other aspect of it was when I'm trying, especially I notice it on hole four, you know, I'm trying to go that EO thing to
Uh huh.
get, so I'm breathing in, I'm getting what I think is a single note, I'm breathing that in, and but it's sort of E, and then I start to close it down, and hopefully as I close it down, it should produce a bend, but it's not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. So I presume it's just because I'm not getting a decent single note out of hole four.
Well, that's the starting point. Have you got any masking tape?
Yeah. Hmm.
Have you got it with you?
Yeah, I've got it here actually.
Right. So tape up holes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7,
Hmm.
and we'll have a listen to you,
Right. Okay.
and we'll see what's going on. It's a combination of getting the targeted single note. Hi, Josie. Hi, Paul. And then it starts. As you breathe in, you start quietly. You want a C harmonica, and then you go very, very, very loud as you go for the bend. So it could be the airflow isn't there. It could be the tongue movement isn't there.
Yeah.
There's a combination of things which is making it not work. And once those things all combine, it will work for sure. For most people. So once you've got hole 4 isolated, then shove it in nice and deep. Start with empty lungs because you're going to be breathing in a lot for note bending, for draw bending. And then start with E. It's the same shape as if you're singing or whistling. You've got to lower your jaw. The tongue goes back. You lower your jaw. You 10 times the volume as you hear the pitch change, and you keep the flow coming in. If you stall, it just loses. It'll just go away from you.
Okay.
So start very quietly with empty lungs and move your tongue slowly to the E, to the O position. E, O. That's hole 7.
That's 7. Oh shit, I've got it upside down. Okay.
I forgot to mention the first thing is have your harmonica the right way up.
Right, okay, give me a couple of minutes, I'll move this.
Look, while you're doing that, let me just take another question. We'll come back to you, Neil. Wave your arm.